Around the globe, networks are under siege. Major corporations, hospitals, power grids. No one is immune.
I'm seeing multiple breach attempts. They're coming from everywhere.
The volume and sophistication of cyber attacks are accelerating at an alarming pace.
3 to 5 years for an entry role? How am I supposed to get that if nobody gives me a start? I don't get it.
Ready for your next move? Our 12-week cybersecurity certification program takes you from job search to job ready. Join live virtual classes or learn in person. Work with expert instructors. Solve real security problems in real time. Earn globally recognized certificates.
You put in the work, earned the credential, and now the payoff is real. From certified graduate to hired cybersecurity analyst, faster than you thought possible. Join a team that protects what's most important. Be job ready, industry recognized.
Limited seats are waiting. Secure yours before they're gone. The next batch begins soon, your chance to level up in cybersecurity. Hit register now and lock in your spot today. Don't wait. Opportunity is counting down.